you will be afraid of nothing. तुम किसी चीज से डरोगे नहीं, क्योंकि संतोष नायर तो तुम्हारा 25 साल का क्लाइंट है. तुमने उसका पूरा लाइफ का सेटिंग कर दिया है. तुम्हें आने वाले दिनों में तुमने देख लिया, you have worked in all the assets. He is going to grow and he is going to become a billionaire and he is going to become one of the finest businessmen, one of the best businessmen in this world. He is going to drive the best of cars, flying the best of planes. You just have to be connected with me, be my chief advisor, take away all the shocks that come to my life. Take care of my life, guarantee me peace and tranquility and security in the whole bargain. Take away as much as financial services products. Give it to me, no problem, I don't even care. So my dear friends, you, your organization, your people, your parivar will be above the forces of change if you do this. The changes jo ho rahe hain, you will be above the forces of change. Now what are the kind of changes that are happening? Regulations. You will not be bothered about regulations, because you have a wonderful relationship with Santosh Nair for the next 25 years. How does regulations affect a financial advisor who is advising in all areas in life and charging for multiple things as the chief expert? You are not bothered about financial scandals and scams and technological changes and increased interferences and automation and convergence and capitalization and consumerism and disintermediation and consolidation and increased competition. ये सब तो अपने को कोई ठेंगा फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. पढ़ना नहीं चाहिए, पढ़ना नहीं चाहिए ऐसा अपने आप को बनाने का. I am unafraid of any of these things in my life, because I am committed to the parivar. I am going to take care of my customers, the parivar members and their future. So what am I afraid of? This industry, and I wanted to speak about this. This industry is coming out and responding to the worst practices and practitioners. In the last 25, 30, 40 years, there have been a lot of practices. So the industry is just correcting itself. The industry is coming out and responding to the worst practices and the practitioners. All this happened because of the attempts by companies and advisors to get rewarded without creating anything of lasting value for their clients. तो आज तुम्हारा टाइटनिंग अप हो रहा है तो तुम्हें बड़ा दर्द हो रहा है, लेकिन the entire financial services industry, including you, the financial advisors, did a lot of nonsense in the last 30, 40 years. So, clients are still seen by all of you as targets and statistics. Regulators are after all of them and will continue to do so. So my dear friends, you will rise above commoditization, you will be the best in the industry, you will be above the industry, and you will bypass everything. And my last thought, you will still be rocking 25 years from now if you do what I tell you to do. But if you continue to do what you are doing right now, you cannot guarantee anything about anything. You will be all-weather proof. You know, what do you do with the weather? If it is hot or cold, extremely hot, barish, birish, you can keep complaining about the weather. So all the 10, 15 things that are happening, the technological changes and the regulations and all, are all like weather. You just have to change your raincoat, carry your umbrella, and make yourself smart and protect yourself from everything that is happening. You can't be complaining about the weather, my dear friends, ladies and gentlemen. You cannot complain about the weather of life. They are going to be there, so don't be afraid. Bindas rehne ka, and you will be in the result economy, not in the time and effort economy. and you will have created your own brand Parivar. I just want to end by saying that if you do this, you will be in a position to move away, from products and services. You will go to the next level. You will create unique products. From there, you will be in a position to give exceptional service. From there, you will, create unique processes for the life and improvement of your customers. That will make a unique community around you of 20, 30, 40, 50 people. That community will have a unique language, which will be your language. This will result into a unique culture being built by you for your Parivar. They will be a kind of a transformed cult committed to you. They will be your loyal community. And what is that they will do? They will be all the time loyal. They will be committed to you. They will be dedicated to you. They will speak the same language. They will be protective of you. They will be devoted to you. They will be your fighters. They will promote you. They will be your unpaid salespeople. They will be the people who will make you the best in the industry. And in fact, you may even go above the industry, and you will never be afraid of the industry, and all of them will be uniform. At the end, I just want to say that become and remain above the industry. Don't worry about the industry. इंडस्ट्री में जो हो रहा है वो होता ही रहेगा, और आने वाला 25 साल में और टाइट होने वाला. Everything, the regulations are going to increase, the competition is going to increase. Everything that is happening about which you are complaining, shouting, yelling, taking delegations to Government of India, nothing is going to happen. So protect yourself, take advantage of this out of the world tools that are available today. Next Advisors and Fundu.com and all those people and other things are giving you a whole lot of advice. Take it seriously, and in all this bargain, are you, going to ask yourself, are you using the best to be the most productive? How can you maximize its use in the next 18 months? The best tools, the best financial services tools or strategies or available strategies or whatever may be being made by the best in the industry. Learn how the most successful people plan and lead their lives, because you must understand most of your customers are more successful than you, and therefore they have an idea about how they live their life. Remember, they are more successful than you. They know something that you don't know. So get into their lives and name 3 customers from whose personal and professional life you have learned the most. How much such customers you need to build an insulated 25 years as a lifetime advisor? Maybe 20? How will you transform yourself in the next 18 months to reach there? That's the question. So ask yourself, have you really grown people personally and professionally? Ask yourself, how have people who worked and are working with you transformed in the last 3 years? Ask yourself, how you have brought meaningful transformation in the life of every family member that you have been associated, every friend that you have been associated. At the end, I just want to say a few things, and I say goodbye to all of you. And these are important thoughts. Ask yourself, how will you develop greater understanding of the present issues, challenges, and the future aspiration of your best clients? The answer is, go to conferences, go to seminars, go to buddy meetings, go to interactive sessions where your understanding of clients' challenges increases. Your wisdom increases, and not to conferences that increase your product, company, and industry knowledge. This is a serious advice I want to give you. And at the end, you are in an industry, ladies and gentlemen, and I want to wish you luck. You are in an industry which is the fastest growing. And you are in the industry which is the most profitable. And as I said, it is far more profitable than the technology industry has been. But since you are in the fastest growing, most profitable industry, it will also be the most volatile and unpredictable industry. The best industry of the 21st century. Ladies and gentlemen, the only way to thrive is to transform. It was a pleasure meeting you all, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for your kind taking me for so many minutes. Thank you very much. All the best and good night.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Next Advisors, I take this opportunity to thank you all for making this event a grand success. Today, in the midst of our fellow members, we have launched a new industry portal, thefundu.com. We want to make it the leading industry portal for mutual fund industry, and we want you to be able to leverage the portal to gain handpicked wisdom, communicate effectively, get research that works, and wow your customers. Since morning, we have got amazing feedback in various sessions, where it's Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and we expect to use this and continue going forward. However, it is just the beginning. We plan to make this as a single-stop solution for all IFA needs and help our fellow IFAs get more customers, retain them, and as Mr. Santosh Nair said, add value to them. We want to keep all this by keeping the IFA's interest in mind. Hence, we require your encouragement and support. Today, we have tried to showcase a few of the ideas and some of the future plans with you. We have also tried to motivate you to become a transformed person. We would like to thank the people who have made this event possible. First of all, I would like to thank UTI AMC for being the title sponsor. We'd also like to thank DSP BlackRock, Axis, Reliance, and ICICI Prudential for being the platinum sponsors, and L&T, Sundaram, SBI, Canara Robeco, and HDFC for being the gold sponsors. I would like to specially thank Ms. Dipali Sen and Mr. Ranjit Dani for being the amazing hosts. Can we please give a round of applause for both of them? Thank you very much. Heartfelt thanks to all the panelists who have shared the insights and helped us grow. Thanks to my team, Ami Modi and Ganesh, who have also helped me in making this a grand success. We are grateful to all of you, the who's who's of mutual fund industry, who have come and graced this occasion. I would like to invite Next Advisor promoters to the stage, and also invite Valuefied promoters with whom we have launched this portal together. So I would like, please come forward, and till the time they are coming forward, Ms. Ami Modi and they are standing there. A lot of you have got coupons on your passes. Kindly deposit the coupon so that we can draw a lucky draw. Yeah. I would now like to request Mr. Nikhil Nayak, who has actually recommended Mr. Santosh Nair, saying at the end we should have a motivator who can actually motivate us to do much better things. So I would like to ask Mr. Nikhil Nayak to thank Mr. Santosh Nair personally.
So I remember the times when I started training with him, and Jaideep has been also there. I think Jaideep implemented a lot of things to the T, which probably I didn't, but I've been in with him for last 10 years. We started with, I don't know what, when we started off, we were at assets of 20 crores or so. Today we are at 450 crores. Thanks to Mr. I owe a lot to him. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. So within 5 minutes, once you have collected the coupons, we shall be announcing the lucky draw. And I would request you that dinner has been served. Please proceed for dinner. We'll be announcing it, and I would expect people to just come forward to collect their lucky draw prizes. The prizes are iPad and a smartphone. iPad mini.
जाके किधर ना किधर करेगा, बिल भेज देगा. I have 4 packs of single malt also, and I'll send that also to you. Thank you.